budding Taskmasters! Yes, I am, it says here, little Alex Horn, your friendly neighbourhood Taskmaster's assistant. And I'm here to tell you about something very exciting. Yes, welcome to the Taskmaster Education and Purple Mash competition. If you've ever seen Taskmaster, you know it's all about completing silly tasks in the most brilliant or perhaps memorable ways. And now it's your turn to become Taskmashers. Taskmashers. You see what I did there? It's very funny. Mashers. Together with the masterminds at Too Simple, the creators of Purple Mash, we've whipped up an activity pack bursting with challenges that will make you laugh, think, create and fall off your chair. Okay, I made up that last one. Please do not fall off your chair. It's health and safety. After tackling the warm-up activities, it's your turn to step into the Taskmaster's absolutely enormous shoes. Because for the main part of the competition, we want you to invent your own ingenious task to impress our esteemed, but also very silly, judging panel. The winning task will be brought to life with a special video featuring me! Yes, me, setting it for others to try. Joining in could not be easier. Your teachers will lead you through warm-up activities and show you how to use Purple Mash. From there, you'll create and submit your Taskmaster-worthy masterpiece. Because we want everyone to be able to have a go at the splendid winning task. It should be a task suitable for any group of aged people. And it shouldn't need too much, if any, stuff. Keep your task simple. So what are we waiting? What are you waiting? What are you waiting for? I can't wait to see the incredible ideas you come up with. Make good choices, Taskmashers. And do remember, please, not to fall off your chairs. I regret saying that. Also, if you enjoy this tasking challenge, be sure to gently and politely encourage your teachers to set up a Taskmaster Club at your school, where you can unleash your task-based talents every single week. And now, on with the challenge. Let the chaos and creativity begin. That's it.